MeghalayaPost.news.
Symbut Myntri ke Jelang buat Sngewkhia dhar mentaka Sngewkhia kerpat jor benam sim kabu naga Jingbthei Sngewkhia Mynsngat kabadai naga Jingbthei kepar Dewiong bean lan iban penlong kam politik namar naga liang sokar Jelang kelada ban pentikna banle da kabating yakinu ki bedan keti hak bapenya ya keti Jingbthei Dewiong bean hak te ke jaka habakran mentaka Sngewkhia segilar patai kubur buat Sngewkhia dhar ulaong bau pa ka kubur ke Jing Sngolem sakitu ki bala syakta bat ki bala du yala ki bait baton hak te ke Jingbthei kepar Dewiong Mynsngat kabala sim hadu arpa prangut ki mensim ki bakordor haba paru ika kubor Sngolem syakitu ki basyakta hakani ka jingja ubad harula kerpat juru yaki bakim dai ban pelong politik yakani ka kam bat kaladai ka por baham bani trelang bakum kini ki jingja basngsi kenom dai shu banja haki sngi bat ki por ban sawan ula pentiknaru baka sorkar klasim dakalan ka bateng halor kani ka jingja balada pro ban pha yaki bor sorkar bakentup nadu deputy commissioner baru superintendent of police bandang tokit bania halor kani ka jingja barban le ka bateng karkum ki kendon kaan nginuma bikinu ki bedan kti hakani kambean ong bad har bat banrap ru bakinde da kabateng ya kitu gibdon kti hakmat hakani ka kambean.
You see, this type of incident, yes, is very unfortunate. I share my condolences to all affected family. Please remember now, not the time to play politics. It is high time to be collectively responsible when such accident is occurred. Yes, you know very well. Incidents were unfortunate, and yes, government is taking very proactive stuff. We have sent all the teams to help there, and roughly till yesterday, it seemed around 27 bodies have been announced. And now even the SPDC is still on the job for to checks. And the only thing from the government side, we won't spare anybody who are involved. We will take actions against them. Slightly is that everybody sees that, but we are trying our best from the government to control. Yes, maybe sometimes it's happened. But anyway, from the government, we are full effort to control. There will be no more illegal mining in future. We are taking our best. So yes, when this unfortunate incidents happen, people blame, but actually it's our collectively responsibility. We have to check, we have to balance, and we have to point number one from the government. We have to take actions directly who are involved against this illegal activity. We are not spare anybody. That is the stand of the government. Yakani ilayo ike petition ka request from the various mines owner ki ong basis pa lahe pelat ta yakani subject ru CM being for the last 1 year ulai discuss baka central government if they can reduce the area to small size, so at least the local people can have the scientific mining all over the state is under discussion. You see, that's what to say is illegal mining. The illegal people who are involved, they do whatever they want, but actually government is not favor with it. Simple as that. And that is because of these people who do all this illegal thing. Our people have died on the spot, and we are very unfortunate to see all this. And government is very proactive, and you will take a necessary step directly to all involved with this illegal mining. No, that don't worry. You'll be able to know at the end of the days when the operation stop. You will get detail on this. No, that you see the policy of the government. If somebody had incident, you know very well why I should repeat again and again. Our own peoples, maybe yes, okay, that's from which part of the state, from which part of that, maybe that's a different question.
MeghalayaPost.news.